The Kruskal-Wallis test is a non-parametric alternative to the one-way ANOVA. As with most parametric tests and their non-parametric counterparts, for the sake of simplicity and reportability of results, if given the opportunity, you'll certainly want to utilize the parametric test in almost every instance. However, as it pertains to this video, we'll be utilizing the non-parametric alternative to the one-way ANOVA, the Kruskal-Wallis test. And all example code will be within the video description, and all examples will be run through R Commander. The Kruskal-Wallis H test is a non-parametric test that acts as an alternative to the one-way ANOVA. Its internal methodology utilizes a ranking system to generate application output. So let's do an example. As a researcher, you are presented with 3 separate groups of data, each of which contain 6 sample data points. You are tasked to discover if each group of data shares the same distribution. So we have group 1, group 2, and group 3. Assuming an alpha value of 0.05, our null hypothesis would be the 3 sample group medians are the same, and the alternative would be the 3 sample group medians are not the same. And this is the data here if you wanted to enter it yourself and import it, or you can find it in the video description below in CSV format. So with this data imported into your R Commander, you would go to Statistics, Non-Parametric Tests, Kruskal-Wallis Test. Groups is going to be our group variable. A response variable is on the right, sample. Clicking OK will provide us with the following output. Since our p-value is greater than our stated alpha value, we will fail to reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, at 95% confidence interval, we cannot state that the medians of each group significantly differ. Now, if we wanted to write this in APA format, we would state a Kruskal-Wallis H test was conducted to examine differences in dependent variable across 3 groups. The result showed no significant differences between the groups. 2 is the degrees of freedom, n is the number of observations, 5.23 is our Kruskal-Wallis chi-square value to 2 significant figures, and p is our p-value, which is 0.07. If this was able to help you out, please consider liking and subscribing. Take care, and I hope to see you in the next video.